Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody just asked me if you move an item to a guideline or a solid line, how do you get it to stick to the center or snap to the center? Well, if you have snap to guidelines on, you can take that object, and when you see this four-sided, you can see it right there when I get inside, but it's so small, four-sided arrow. And if you grab it from the center and move over, it will snap to that center. Same thing with this. We got the four-sided. Doesn't matter if it's a guideline or a line, then you could move it up or down however you want to do it. Now, so it all depends on where you are in the object. There's the four-sided arrow, but I'm on the edge now, so it's going to snap to the edge. Like over here, I can get it to snap to that edge. Same thing with the circle. If you grab it right there, it'll snap to that guideline and kind of hover on that guideline. But that's when you see this right here. And even this will snap to the center because it's an object. And it'll say the edge. So that's perfectly in the center. And you can kind of prove it by seeing the sharp points of the arrow there. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.